What is up, guys? It's your bro back again, and today I will be opening up one pro pack. What you see these packs, right? Look at those amazing packs. Okay, so this is a new pack, but it's basically a pro pack. But when you buy one of these, the next game, Madden 16, you will get one for free. It's like buy one get one for free. So is the premium pack, and there are legendary. There was legendary packs yesterday, but today we have Team of the Year packs. I might be opening those up later. So let's open this pro pack, shall we? Hopefully we get our first elites in this video. Update team, okay, Jeremy Curley, 84 speed, 40 strength, 90 agility, 91 acceleration, 76 awareness, 85 catch, 46 carrying, 82 jumping, and 89 elusiveness. We get Cole Missy, 83 speed, 69 strength, 74 agility, 87 acceleration, 79 awareness, 88 tackle, 66 man coverage, 73 zone coverage, and 92 pursuit. Sweet. Paul Hazel, 83 speed, 59 strength, 80 agility, 87 acceleration, 53 awareness, 71 tackling, 51 man coverage, and 60 zone coverage, and 76 pursuit. Rodney McLeod or something, I can't pronounce that word. 84 speed, 67 strength, 89 agility, 90 acceleration, 68 awareness, 65 tackling, 72 man coverage, 79 zone coverage, and 76 pursuit. And the last card is a trophy or a bronze player. There we get bin bags. 67 speed, 76 strength, 69 agility, 72 acceleration, 62 awareness, 75 tackling, 72 pursuit, 71 hit power, and 76 power moves. So here are cards we get. We got a wide receiver, 72 overall, a linebacker, 78 overall, middle linebacker, 56 overall, a safety, 73 overall, and a defensive tackle, 61 overall. So, yeah. I'm still working for my legacy team. So here's my team. Got Tony Romo out of a team of the week pack. I know there's no team of the week packs, but I did the set. Looks pretty cool. Here's my defense. Where was right there? Here was the first guy that I have. Let's see if I can do any sets that you guys want me to do. Nope. So here's a new live events. There's not really new stuff, but you know, I can almost do a large quick sell. Yep. Need 2 more gold trophies. I also do this. I did this thing, by the way. If you want me to do that, please tell me in the comment section below, and I will do it for the next season. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.